Back down here on the river, and we're gonna switch up tackle this time. I'm gonna try something new. Oh, we got one already. Oh, he come off. We got another one. There we go. Oh, he come off too. All right. Oh, we got that one. And he stole my dang worm. That's all right, I got more. Oh, we got one right there. Oh, that's a better one. That's a better one. Tighten my drag. Come on, stay on there. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, yeah, looky there. Oh, yeah. That's a bass right there, baby. All right, let's get us a few more. Oh, we got one. Yep. Oh, he's a good one too. Looky there. My goodness. Yep, he's on there. Oh, yeah. He's a little one though. Back at the cleaning table. Just that 17 inches long. That's a pretty good one. Now let's get some fillets. Yeah, I kind of boogered that one up, but I got the meat anyway. Now we're just gonna cut them up in nuggets. Pow. Then we hit them with some fish dust. Okay. Now just gonna pull them out. They're golden crispy. Second batch going in. Meal fit for a king.